set up. All right, we're gonna be looking at some gold. Then we're gonna look at some Nas today too. I'm gonna mark up on my trading view, but I'm gonna execute on my trade locker. I don't feel like setting up my trade locker chart right now. We just expanding right now. I still gotta get used to looking at the gold chart. I'm so used to looking at Nasdaq. What's the word, Monty? Man, we just expanding right now. It look like we just in this big inducement zone. This is my weekly. Let's go down to the daily. Alright. Just read your price from left to right. Had this daily FVG here. Price came down. Respected it. This is that trade I took. I think I took this trade. I think this is that practice trade I took. Yeah, it looked like just a huge inducement zone. Price keep coming back down to this FEG. It's respecting this FEG too. Price on this FEG, this daily FEG now. This lucky look like a loan back up to this top side to this order block. Yeah, this lucky look like a loan. rejected off it twice. I'm gonna run my fib lines in a second too. Alright. Let's find our previous session highs and lows right quick. High. Let's just say low. Yeah, we took them lows there. Yeah, it looked like we just expanding up. Yeah, I low-key might take this. Will low-key look like a long back up to this order block. Yeah. Let's go down to my 4 hour. Yeah. This looks like a long. I ain't gonna fake it. 335. Distribution. Yeah. I'm just looking at my 4 hours, see if I see anything. This chart is so weird looking at sometimes. Price came down, respected this daily OB. Hold on, let me run this field. Yeah, I might take this long. I ain't gonna fake it. I think I'm gonna take this long. Stop loss under this low. Take this long back up to this order block. Yeah. Yeah. I'm low-key looking at a long, bro. I think this goes back long. Yeah, I think this goes back long to this order block. And my zone that I'm in right now. Hold on, Siggy. No, I don't do meme coins. I appreciate your follow though, Tigger. No, inducement is equal highs and lows accumulation. Not a lot, Monty, on me. On me. Well, Seekers in the Leam, if y'all in here, I'm thinking of I'm low-key thinking of this long right here. Back up to this order block. We making dynamic highs and lows. Samu Profits, you looking at a totally different ticker symbol than what I'm looking at. If you're talking about 23 something, you're looking at something totally different. You put however much you want to start with. No, I'm on gold right now. Hold on, 1 second. Yeah, that shit like long, bro. That's the entry right there. Here go your 5 point move right here. This Sigur's annoying. Yep. You buy, you long it from right there. When it runs. I want to get a little. See a price for go a little bit lower, like get a retracement back down. Where's this FEG at? Mm, 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 mm. I want to enter it like at a pullback. I might not even get that though. We just been expanding. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Oh man, going there to cook. I mean, right on though. I don't have any buys for tomorrow yet. Yeah, you looking for a pullback too? Yeah, into them. I got a scaling plan that I'm following. I think I exit out of it already. Pull it back up. So I'm gonna use this scaling plan. If you want. I might just take it. I'm gonna have to do a. I'm gonna have to get a nice entry though. That's really what I want. I just want a nice entry, so I'm not losing too much. I'm not risking a lot in that pullback. $51. I gotta get used to this. I don't know how to. It's 58. 58. Okay, so my stop loss, yeah. No, there it is right there. I hate feeling like I'm chasing. Hey, that was that entry right there. I wish I could have caught a better entry down here. $61. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be taking my trades on my lab account. I want to get a good entry though. I don't want to like chase this price right now. It already rejected and it's kind of just running. It hasn't really gave us like a pullback or anything like that yet. So I don't really want to chase that price because it's already running. What's good, too, paid? Rory, I appreciate your follow. Avery, I appreciate your follow too. Yeah, I don't want to take these prices big expansion off this daily FVG. It's projecting on this hourly right now. I'll wait to take that trade. The price want to drop back down. I'll just wait. Actually, it'll tell me right here. I'm about to look and see. One more. Get another rejection on this. Rejecting out that hour FVG. Want to see what price want to do right here. We can see a drop. Here it is right here. 4, 5. That's a short. That might be a short. I think the thing about gold that also gets me too. I'm still trying to get used to like how they like to run on their liquidity. Yeah, because I'm just gonna have to get a lot better with my entries as well. which I think trading this way will help me. I need to get my choice right on here. You see what it wants to do. Getting into trades, any advice? Take your time. Uh, don't listen. Don't listen to other people. It's a lot of opinions when it comes to trading and investing. Do what you feel is best for you. So I say just remember you're not in competition with anybody. A lot of people make you feel like you're in competition, but you're not in competition with anybody, bro, but yourself. Yeah, I'm cash right now. I'm in gold. I'm still gonna trade my M&Q. Who trades support and resistance? Uh, mm, mm. Riley, I appreciate your follow. Mm, 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 I need to just take those trades, bro. All right, I think trading. I just need to enter that joint. I already know what I'm looking for. I just need to enter that joint. Look at that. I should have went into that short. Because I don't need a lot. Like, scaling up on my account. Yeah. Yeah. And she would have been up here. They would have to keep running down. Well, I'm just gonna wait for my next setup. Yep. Yeah. Most def gonna keep my stops tight. I think trading my live account too is gonna help me with my risk management as well. how we feel. Trading gold has most definitely been weird. Oh, this is Forex right now. I'm on gold right now. Yep, Forex. What's the best way to learn? Just YouTube University. Honestly. But I like Arkham trades, also like TT trades. So a lot of good creators out there. Is this it right here? I feel like I trade the two most hardest markets, bro. I'm gonna have to get used to this gold, bro. High or low again. $59. No, I didn't throw 500 in. I started with only 50. Creative, I appreciate your follow too. With long 23, 227. Good stuff. No, I don't trade crypto. Well, there you go. I'm not chasing that. I'm not chasing that. Okay, one thing that I have been noticing though with the gold, they respect the 4 hour daily and weekly gaps a lot more. Like all higher time frame. With they fell. I don't give a fuck with they fell. It's just the feel is wrong. If the feeling wrong. Gonna be too hard for me to tell. I should have known, bro. I could have just took that long. Feel is real, feel is real, feel is real. It's alright. They wanna feel, wanna feel, wanna feel. Hello. Cedar, I appreciate your follow. gonna look at Nas in a little bit, but. This look look like a long back up to that 89. Yeah. Feel wanna feel your love. Wanna feel your love and it's good. Yeah, this shit Loki. This shit like a long back up to this order block. This ain't never going up. I bet that these niggas in the drop. I just don't like to chase price while it's already moving. Gonna have to try to get in at a pullback or something. I'm not chasing that move. It gave me everything I needed for that entry. It even respecting this 5 minute too. Yeah, it gave me everything I needed for this entry. Boom, boom. All right, now we just wait. What the fuck with that fell? Good to feel this round. This is like it's going back up to the 61. It's too hard for me to tell. Hard for me to tell. Dang, I wish I would have got in there. It's real feelings round. I was just looking, switching between my daily, 4-hour, hourly, and 15-minute. Yeah. Mr. Entry about $2. Yeah. I wanted this entry down here. Prices took off from there. I should have just went down to my 5 minute. Intercontinental. I on it, my. It's not a love song. It's not a love song. on the 5 minute. Was waiting up for it to wick and hit the inverse 15. Yeah, I wanted to drop down. Price gave us the retest that it did exactly what it's supposed to do, but it gave us exactly what we needed. I thought it would have jumped down a little bit more, but that's why you just gotta enter them plays. At least for me, I need to just enter those plays. Started through the hotel. I knew when nobody got you me. Pull up to your hotel. Okay, this is this gap I already had. Yep. Price respected this one. Alright, well, I'll just wait for my next setup. It kind of sucks. Yeah. I'll just be waiting for this. I'm gonna look at NASDAQ though in a second. Price already came and rejected. What the hell happened? What just happened, bro? Yeah, let's look at some NASDAQ in a little bit. I just started trading gold, so I guess so, yep. Sure, I appreciate your follow. Yeah, I don't even like trading on Sundays. I just get on because of y'all. Yeah, I don't like trading on Sundays. Yep, I will only take a setup on Sunday if it's good. I mean, I really didn't have a bias at all. I wanted to catch this long, but when I was trying to catch the continuation, and that continuation would have been right here on off the 5 minute. But I mean, you just look at your mark out your fair value gaps and mark your zone. So disrespected this 4 hour FVG here, creating higher lows, higher lows. Price came here, respected it, expanding upward. So by the time I came to the market, price already respected and was already expanding upward. What you mean, what now? Take profit or hold it. One thing about gold too, they love making dynamic highs and lows. So sort of how like Nasdaq and other stocks and stuff like that, they correct your equal highs and lows. Gold does the same thing, but it looks like this. Like they make it look like dynamic highs and lows, where we creating equal highs and lows, but they're dynamic, where price is moving upward. This okay look like it can be a manipulation upward before it drop downward. So I want to see what price want to do. If price want to check out this, I'm not gonna chase this move at all. I mean, like price is already expanded on here. I don't have that much experience trading gold, and just so far me like looking at gold and how it likes to move. It loves to use the higher time frame zone, so daily, 4 hour, weekly. The lowest I'm gonna go is a 1 hour. But yeah, so it already started expanding. It's already expanded off this 4 hour and respected this 4 hour here. So I really don't want to chase that move. I would want to wait for price to get to one of my zones, then take that trade. So here, I would want price to come up into my zone, then I'll be looking to take that trade. So I'll be looking to see how price react on this daily. If price expands upward, boom, if price expands upward and it respects the zone, then I'll be longing it up to this daily order block here. Taking pictures with all my eyes. Especially because I'm in my I'm using my real money now too. Like I think this is gonna help me as well with my risk management and also taking like good high probable setups instead of just like chasing the move, chasing. I'm chasing the move. It's like I'm not trying to just chase the move. I want a good, like a actually good entry on my move. If I gotta wait a little bit longer, okay, cool. I'll mark up. I'll mark up my Nasdaq too, just so y'all can see what I'm looking at. But I don't think I'm taking like I don't like trading on Sunday, bro. I might just mark out. I'm not chase. I won't chase this gold move. We already missed that entry on here to catch that continuation upward. Here, I'm not like I'm not chasing that move. Now I would just be waiting for it to interact with one of my zones. It already respected this 4 hour. The picture was on my eyes. Yep. See how price run react. Cause either two things. What's gonna happen? Either price gonna come up to the daily FVG Then we're gonna get some rejection. Then I'm gonna catch that probably that higher low, this low, that little sell off. Oil price is gonna run through, respect my zone. Same way kinda how I did here. Even though this run up created that move, let me see if there's another example. Right here. So you had this FEG, kind of like this, kind of what I'm looking at here. How kind of look at this, kind of with this daily though. I'm looking for price either run up, respect it, then I'm gonna catch that expansion up to this daily order block, or price is gonna come here and we're gonna get that rejection down. Then I'll just be looking at price when it gets in my level. I can't have no why not. Yeah, so hot. Yep. But yeah. Alright. That's what I'll be looking at on my gold. I was just looking at my 4 hour. This is the 4 hour. 4 hour. I could still take the long, but I wouldn't take the long until I get a pullback. Like, I won't just chase the move because it's already expanding upward. Cameron, I appreciate your follow. I wanted this long, but I didn't get I wasn't able to catch the retrace. I think it just did it again, bro. Yeah, it did. Yeah. That shit respected and expanded again. What's my trend indicator? I don't have a trend indicator. Why do I trade Asia session? It's just a session, one of the sessions that I trade. I work 9 to 5 too, so I usually just stay on the. I usually just trade the Asia session, Asia, London. Sometimes I trade the New York session, depending on how long my setup is. I had to grab it that quick win. If I was looking at the 4 hour, I appreciate you, Michael. Use RSI. Yeah, I I usually just play higher time frame. I execute on my lower time frame, so like my 15 minute, 5 minutes, sometimes my 3 minute, depending on the setup. But yeah, I mark everything on my higher time frame. I don't ever really mark things on my lower time frame unless I'm trying to catch like a continuation. So like this continuation, like on a 5 minute or a 15 minute. Other than that, I'm not looking at like a lower time frame zone. What's the word, Jazz? Yeah. Sometimes I use my MACD. I mean, I have like my moving averages, but I don't really. I don't know. It really don't. I don't even really look at those. Lifton, I appreciate your follow. How do I feel? Approach education down the road. Yeah, I'll probably eventually do a mentorship. I don't know. I'm just not like one of those people who wants to do a mentor. I could do a mentorship now, like teaching the things that I know, but I don't want to. I want to like make profit and have proof and like, you know what I'm saying? I just feel like a lot of people just be faking. Like I can't teach you something that I don't have a track record on first. So that's all I'm doing. building up my track record. Then eventually, when I feel comfortable enough, I'm like, okay, like yeah, I made profit. I don't got nothing to prove. Then I can go. Then I can offer a mentorship and stuff. That's what I say right now. Learn. I'm teaching everything for free. Like learn with me for free, because once I become profitable, you gonna be getting charged. Because my time is valuable now. Now my time is valuable. My time is valuable now, but learn with me for free now. I'm thinking this will continue. Yeah, I do think this might push up. But since I'm on my live account as well, I don't want to just enter a trade. Like I can't lose. Like I'm not trying to blow my whole live account. You know what I'm saying? Off a little move. So like my entry, I'm waiting for a good setup to get an entry so I can start building. So I can scale my account, start building my buffer, building my buffer, building my buffer. Yeah, yeah, I could use those too. I have them on my charts, but I just noticed like price really doesn't. You can look at like the moving averages and stuff like that, but me just looking at markets and been trading, price really don't be caring about no moving averages for real. Like it really just does what it wants to do. Like it helps sometimes. Like it can help you, but I really don't pay too much attention to them because I just know this price can really just disregard every level. I appreciate y'all too, Zax. On me, on me. I keep saying like I'm a good person. I ain't not even that type of person, bro. Why would I charge you? Why would I charge you a course if I haven't built up? Like if I haven't proved it, it's like yeah, my trades. Like I can prove. Like I can prove it off my trades. Like yeah, my trades be hidden, but now I gotta prove my profitability. So now I guess gotta make my money. But yeah, then I'll eventually go and like do 101s and help you all out even more. But just learn for free. Take advantage now. Learn for free now. No, I'm not profitable yet. Like mentally to myself, I'm profitable because I know my strategy works and I know how to trade. Now it's just cleaning up my risk management. But on the books, no, I'm not profitable yet. No, I wish I had 3 mil. But have too much since they never will be long term profitable. Yeah, on me, big on me. No, I didn't pass my funded, but I'm alive now. I'm gonna get another funded when I come back from my vacation. I want to start my live, but I was gonna wait to start my live. But I was like, I'm just gonna start my live now. Then when I get back out of my vacation, I'm gonna be doing my live account and my funded account. Yeah, when I re-enter, yeah, I wanted that entry. I wanted that entry. I don't like trading on Sundays too. Like, so I'm not even about to. I'm not forcing an entry. I'm not doing any of those things. I just need to look at my zones. Play the zones. I'm not about to play this expansion. I mean, I can play it just off my field levels, but I really don't want to, bro. Yeah, I will really just be waiting until price came up higher to one of my zones. Then I'll be taking. Then I'll just be looking for that sell. That sell, or I'll be looking for that continuation expansion to know we're here off this daily FVG. That's what I'd be waiting on. It does a lot. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Nah, price is still expanding off this pullback. I will only enter on a pullback. Let me look at NASDAQ. I'm gonna look at NASDAQ in a second. It's on this 30-minute order block. All right, let's look at the NASDAQ. Books. Ooh. I can low-key trade. I can build that buffer up on that NASDAQ. It'll build up faster if I did it on my gold. I could build that buffer up on that NASDAQ. Them books. I'm not even. Price is expanding. On the farm, you more waiting for the. It's kind of like gold. This is that distribution back down to this. Right in front of time. Could see a reversal soon. my Discord in my bio. Oh, y'all can't even see my screen, bro. I'm not taking anything right now. I made a couple bands investing. I made a couple bands off of crypto. Might just backtest for a little bit. I don't even wanna. Yeah. Let's see what Price wanna do. Yeah, we could most definitely reverse soon. I could see a reversal soon. But I wouldn't expect Price to reverse now. I would expect Price to reverse at like this 370 range. If we do reverse, I wouldn't be like expecting a huge pullback. No, I missed my entry on that long. Looking at the hourly fib, this can be a selling range right here. I need to hold you. You could take a short back down to this. This gap gonna form. This can low-key be a short-term short down here. And I gotta go get it. I gotta go get it. I think don't hold up. My team don't hold up. My name gonna hold up. My team gonna hold up. Hold up. Let's see what that bullshit. Now the gang member use a tourist. I'll be back in now. I'll be back in now. I just feel birthday for the weekend. For the kind of for the Tuesday. di da di da. Slide on my nose. 5 pieces straight. Fucking in the car. Chitty chitty da. Let it fuck a car. Let it pretty bad. I got everything. Let's see what that noise. Yeah, very wild. You're a tourist. Right there. Swing low, yeah. Close under this swing low. Price Kane rejected off this order block there. Short right down here. We just wait and see. Yeah, it's on that 1 hour order block now. On me, at least you got in on it. It's still long. Yeah. I should have just them little plays right there. Then right here, you really just got to see a price closes out below. If you get a change in structure, to really think if we gonna push back down to the downside. And I need you to bring. All right, let's see what we got. It's a 15-minute there. Should it take some more? Should it take some more? Your love is young. Your love is What's the word, Dylan? Take some more. Should we take some more? Here it is, right here. Is that the continuation right here? Yeah. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Am I already in here? Yeah, I'm already in here. I gotta figure out how to use this software. I don't know how to. I don't know how to place a. Oh, I entered this on the wrong chart. I just entered this on the wrong fucking chart, bro. I just entered this fucking long on the NASDAQ. Look at this shit. Fuck. I just entered it on the wrong chart, bro. God dang it. I just missed the play. I mean, that's the play already. I entered it on the wrong chart. That's all I wanted right here. That was gonna be my quick little play for the night. Boom. That's all I needed right there. I gotta stop doing that, man. I have to stop doing that. I don't know how to use this software, bro. Maybe I gotta enter the trade first. Well, I'm in that play now on my M&Q. I didn't even mean to do that. I have to stop doing that. I gotta pay more attention. I would have already made that profit. Gotta stop doing that to myself. I'm gonna get out of this. Like once when I go back up in this play, I'm getting out of this play. I can't believe I just entered on the wrong chart, bro. This is that move I wanted. Back up to this order block. I wanted that quick. I wanted that quick move. That's all I would have needed on my live account. I was on that short term bullishness, but I'm only looking for like real, like any just A plus quick setups. I don't like trading those Sundays. On me, on me. I was in that call. Oh my god. No, I wouldn't go and re-enter that again. Oh my god. No, I'm on my live account now, Sam. I'm going back on my eval once I get back from out of town, so I don't feel rushed. I entered in on the wrong chart. I went into that long on my gold, but I accidentally on my trade lock I was on my M and Q. So this is that short move I needed right now. I'm following the scaling plan here. I have a whole like scaling plan to how I'm gonna flip my small account into a 6-figure account. So following my scaling plan, what I need to make weekly. So really, that's why I'm like really being patient, really just looking for like certain setups, high quality setups. So that's what I'm gonna be doing on my live account. Then I'm gonna get back into my eval once I'm back from my vacation. I can't believe I did. I gotta stop doing that to myself, bro. I gotta stop doing that to myself. I'm always my own worst enemy, bro. I'm sorry for you. I'm emotional. It's your fault. I'm trying to see if I should just go ahead and get out of this. Everything I said, every in a moment, I don't really agree what I said to you. Put away your pride, babe. You can figure it out if you want it to. I don't wanna talk like you talk like me. I'm on Trading View right now. My fault if I missed some chats too. Yeah, I was on gold. Yeah, it might go lower. I entered on the wrong chart, so that move I wanted to make, I already missed it. Fraud, I appreciate your follow. Oh, me. Can't draw any emotions. If I was sad, I see your crying. I said for me. If I was sad, I gotta set up my trade locker too. I'm just marking on my trading view. I want to show y'all, trying to show y'all this scaling plan that I have, but y'all can't even see it for real. Yeah, you can't even see it. All right, let me just look at my Nasdaq down real quick. Or my fib. You're the way to pride, babe. If we get a little pop, if we could try to get a little pop again, then I'm gonna be out of there. No, that's that. This is like the reversal now. Yep. Yeah. This like a reversal now. Sorry. I'm sorry. I can't believe I did that to myself. I have to stop doing that, bro. I can't believe I entered on the wrong chart. That was a perfect. I was like, that's perfect entry, perfect setup. Wrong chart. Yeah, look like we probably have to see a deeper reversal. Like we're about to see a deeper reversal. If I could just get this little pop to go back positive, then I'm gonna try to get up out of there. I gotta stop doing that to myself, man. Gotta stop doing that to myself. Yeah, this shit probably about to dump. I gotta figure out how to use Trade Locker too. I'm getting money. Should keep coming. Y'all niggas don't want it. Y'all niggas don't want it. Y'all niggas don't want it. Mm-mm. My shot is a mix. ICT, order flow, value. But the main concepts I use: fair value gaps, order blocks, my fib levels, turtle soup, AMD, or power 3. Kind of just a mixture. Yeah, bro. That sucks, man. That shouldn't even have been. Ah, I can't believe I did that. Let me go ahead and change my chart now. Boom, 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 boom. Mm-mm-mm. I'm gonna mess around with my trade locker probably tomorrow. Get my levels right. Monty, I appreciate your follow. Yep. Damien, I appreciate your follow. Yeah, yeah, not necessarily inverse fair value gaps, but yeah, fair value gaps. Yep, you got it. It's a mixture, a mix of different concepts all together. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I'm sure, like, let me get out of that, man. That would have been a perfect, like, that entry would have been perfect. Yeah, don't make the mistakes I'm making, y'all. Make sure you placing trades on the right chart. That's only. Let me have to see how much I made, how much I would have made on that. That's all I need is that quick play. Um, um, Right now, I'll just be patient. All right, man. I'm trading gold and NASDAQ. Oh. What you mean what happened to Doge? Oh, you're not even talking about Dogecoin. You're talking about that other coin. I don't care about that. Bro, I ain't gonna fake it, bro. I don't even feel like it's a reason I don't trade on Sunday. I don't even want to trade, bro. I do not like trading on Sundays, bro. I'm gonna do a little replay. I'll probably just do like a couple more. I'll probably just do a little back testing. But now I'm gonna get off for tonight and be back tomorrow. Now I'm not answering you. You figure it out yourself. Figure it out yourself. All right, y'all. That's what I think I'm doing. I don't even feel like trading for real. Like I feel like trading, but I don't like trading on Sundays. So I'm just gonna do a little back testing. We'll keep gauging the market, see how I interact with our levels, try to get a good little entry. If it goes to one of our levels for a good entry, then we'll just take that entry. But if not, then I'm gonna do a little couple do a little replay trading. Then yeah. Bro said you better tell me now. I'm trading gold and M&Q. I'm not in a setup right now. I'm not selling nothing right now. Yeah. I'm on replay tests. I'm like on my replay now, but yeah, I'm trading gold and M&Q. I don't like messing with the Sunday market, so I don't even think I'm about to mess with it for real. Bro, just looking at my levels. This looks like this might want to reverse to the top side. We just took out this this sell side now. Good piece, buddy. Only read that, hey, gotta get your soul in it. Bro, I might loan this. I ain't gonna figure. I saw me. She gonna bring that damn century for a size crazy. The Jesus ain't gone. Go look like it do when I run down. Probably go back to that that hourly FVG. Like stop, baby, like stop, baby. Only think that hey, you gotta put your soul in it. That hey, you gotta put your soul in it. Put your soul in it. Lifestyle crazy, lifestyle baby. So put your soul in it. One thing about gold, even just back testing this right now, one thing about gold, when it gets to the level, one thing that I'm noticing too, it loves to consolidate. Gold, that's one thing that I've really been noticing about trading gold. It loves to consolidate. I think that's the part that I want to get used to as well. Oh yeah, I still think this reverses. Yep, I still take that short entry. Yep, I wouldn't want it to come back down. Now, right now, I really just I want to test these fib levels. Yeah, I still wouldn't want it to come back down. Right there at the 261. Yeah. Might want to create a higher low. Right here, right here. Yeah. It loves to consolidate. This shit loves to consolidate at a zone. I haven't taken a setup today. Well, I tried to take a setup, but I entered in on the wrong chart, so they don't. Yeah, I haven't taken a setup today. I was trying to go on this short long play that was on gold not that long ago, but I entered on the wrong chart. I entered on my M&Q chart instead of my gold chart. I'm on gold. I'm on gold. Bro, these people are so annoying. Okay, So this is something I need to take into account with gold. There it is. I'll wait for this to just get to one of my zones. On me, solo in the background. On me. Man, I might get off for the night, man. I ain't gonna fake it, y'all. I might get off for the night, y'all. Bro said, tell China. Bro, what the hell y'all be saying, bro? What do y'all be saying, bro? Oh, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. It's crazy, bro. Yeah, man. I do not like trading on Sundays, bro. I'm not. Well, the one setup I wanted to take up, we already know what happened with that setup. Entered in on the wrong chart. I'm probably about to. Yeah, I'm probably just about to chill for the night, y'all. I got my charts marked up. So if I do see any setups or anything I want to take, I'll be I'll let y'all know. If price gonna create a higher low, I'll see how it reacts on this 1 hour FEG here to see if it wants to hold back up. If price falls through, I'll see how it wants to react at this 4 hour. If price decides to hold up here and expand up, I'll just take that long back up to this FEG. Or if I miss this entry here, then I'll just wait for price to get up to this daily FEG up here to see if we reverse or to see if we hold up, respect it, not respect it, but inverse it, boom, and I'll play that up to this order block. So I got four different plays. I can play this play off the 1 hour FEG up to this order block. I can play this FEG, this 4 hour FEG bounce up to this daily FEG. I can play the inverse daily FEG up to this order block, or I can play the reversals on any one of those. So that's kind of what I'm looking. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, for real, Jay. I mean, decent information. You just gotta wait for a price to get to your zone. But I just don't. Look, I made a little money on back testing. That's all I need. Let's see. I might go Max Sparky and get in the bed. On me and chill. Watch my levels and chill. We got all the YouTube posts scheduled for this week, so I'm just blessed I was able to get that out the way. This man Fuzi. What the hell y'all be saying, man? And just another Sunday. I don't really trade on Sunday. I usually just back test on Sunday. Well, I was gonna take a setup today, but I entered on my M&Q chart instead of on my gold chart. Don't make the same mistakes I made, y'all. Make sure that you're on the right chart. But yeah, price just teeter totter between his range. Yeah, just see how I want to react to your zones. I know I'm just looking for these gold setups for real right now. So I want gold to either bounce back off this hourly FEG, or I want price to reject off this daily FEG, or I'm going to take that long. Like if price loans up, respects this FEG, then I'm going to take that long up to this order block. So I'm just going to wait, be patient for price to hit a zone. Good. Makes sense to everybody. Alright. Y'all need anything? If y'all need me, y'all know where I'm at. Yeah, a quick little 2 hour stream tonight. We'll be back live tomorrow. When you're on our live account now, we're gonna be doing our we'll be back in eval once I get back from out of town. But yeah, I love and appreciate every single one of y'all. If I do see a setup, then I'll let y'all know on the setup that I'm be taking. But yeah, right now I'm not taking anything. But yeah,